everybody, this is Abby from the Museum of Antiquities, and today we're going to be writing messages in invisible ink. If you've ever wanted to write secret messages to your friends or your family, this video will tell you everything you need to know. As you learned in our Western alchemy lesson, alchemists used to use the scientific method to transform materials from one thing into another. Now in the past, these scientific methods were very new, and people thought of these transformations as magic. You can think of alchemy as a kind of magical potion making. Today, we're going to be doing some alchemy of our own, using these magical ingredients to transform an invisible writing into a visible message. But first, let's go over the materials that we'll be using. From your boxes, you'll need to get the following: your bag of turmeric, bag of baking soda, your 2 Q-tips, and the sheet of white paper. You'll also need these ingredients from your home, so you'll have to ask your parents for the following: half of a cup of water, half a cup of pure rubbing alcohol, a spoon for mixing, and you might want to have a paintbrush for the later step of revealing the message, but this is optional. We also want to make sure that we're protecting ourselves and the surfaces that we'll be using from anything that could possibly stain. This craft could stain with the turmeric powder, so I'm using a tablecloth, but you also might want to try having an apron just in case. We'll start by mixing our baking soda with our water. So take your Ziploc bag and pour the ingredients inside. And then we'll take our spoon and we'll mix it all together until the baking soda has completely dissolved. Once the baking soda is mixed, we're ready to write our message. So we'll take our Q-tip and our paper, and we'll gently dip our Q-tip into the mixture, and then we'll write our secret message. While we are waiting for our secret message to dry, let's make our turmeric and alcohol mixture. So we'll take our bag of turmeric and we'll pour it very carefully into the alcohol. We want to be very careful with these ingredients and not get them anywhere near our mouth, clothes, or our work surface. We'll take our spoon again and we'll mix this mixture very well. This will be our magical mixture because it's going to transform our invisible message. Once your paper has dried, your message should be completely invisible, just like this. Can you see anything? Let's reveal your message. To do that, we'll take a Q-tip or a brush and we'll dip it in our turmeric mixture and we'll wipe it along our writing. Now you can keep using the Q-tip, or you can also use the paintbrush. And as their turmeric mixture goes over top, your message will appear. When you're done, you'll see how when we put over our turmeric mixture, our message completely appears, just like magic. This happens because the rubbing alcohol and the turmeric cause a chemical reaction to the baking soda, and when they touch, and it makes the baking soda turn red. When you are done, it should look something like this. Now that you know how to reveal invisible messages, you can go try it with your friends and write secret messages and show them this really cool chemical transformation. Thanks so much for joining me as we did this magical craft together. Be sure to check out our WordPress for more magical, fun games and activities. We'll see you next time. The museum would love to see what you guys have come up with and to share your creations with our friends. Share pictures of your creations with us by messaging us on our Facebook page, by email, or tagging us on Twitter. Also, be sure to check our social media pages and our website to see your creation alongside our friends.